Minasa, konnichiwa, welcome to another episode of Japanese Live Review. First off, I want to apologize because unfortunately the green screen is not on due to my computer. It's being repaired at this time, so this is you can see the background for now, and I apologize for that as well. Before we start, a quick shout out to Tofu Cute. Visit tofocute.com and you spend more than £20, UK delivery will cost you nothing, absolutely free. Today I'll be doing taste test on 5 items, well 4 from when I was in Hyper Japan. We still got loads of stuff to go on that one. Plus there is one special thing as well. But before that, let's get started. First off, we're gonna do a drink one. I'll be drinking mango, sparkling mango drink. So this is the first one to try out because I always go for the drink. So let's find out what it tastes like. Okay, it's open. Ooh. Oh wow, cool. That's a strong flavour. Okay, let's see how it goes. Tell you what, it's not that bad actually. It's got some good flavour. Hey, it's not a bad good. That's not bad. It's quite nice actually. I remember it's like without the orange because I had like orange and mango fruit squash drink to add water to it. But this, it's not that bad actually. It is not that bad. I would say a thumbs up on this one though. It is quite absolutely nice. Yeah, thumbs up on that one. Right, let's see what we got next. Let's see. We're gonna go give a try on Porky. Double chocolate Porky. So let's find out. So I've got a few Porkies though to give it a try. But this is a double chocolate. So it's a chocolate biscuit with chocolate coating. Here we go. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Ooh, it smells like dark chocolate actually. Did it say dark chocolate? Well, it says dark chocolate, then let's give it a go. It's not that bad actually. It tastes like it's like a bit of banana-y sort of taste though, but it doesn't actually say banana on it. It's just like double chocolate. I'll try another one just to 100% sure. Well, the taste is okay. It's like a hit of dark in this one. It's okay. It's okay, this thing. It's like about 50-50 for that one. It's okay for that one. So 50-50. It's okay for this one. It's okay. Okay, next one I'm gonna try. It's well, it's like a jelly sort of sushi thing. It's an apple, lemon and a banana. Banana? I hate bananas. See how it goes for this one. Whoa! That is a smell of bananas. Oh my god. Wow. Well, it comes in a sealed sort of package. Sealed package. So more opening up. So, how many we got in here? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's seven of these each. I don't know which flavor it is, this one. I know the red ones are apple. I can't tell what color it is for that lemon or sushi. Or lemon or banana. Well, we'll find out when I taste them and find out which one it is. So, let's have a look. Let's get this one wrapped up. There you go, you can see right there. So this might be definitely apple, so find out. Oh my. Oh. What the heck was that? I got no idea, but I'm guessing these might be the banana. That might be the banana, so say those are the strawberry, apple, those are the apples, those are lemons, and I'm guessing that is the banana. I'm not 100% sure, but comment below though to be 100% sure. I don't know what to say really, but it's like absolutely weird. So I think it's a bit of a thumbs down on this thing, but if you comment below to help me out with this thing, it'll be much appreciated. Until then, at the moment it's a thumbs down. Okay, well the next one, it's a Hello Panda, and this one, well, it's normal biscuit, but it's got milk flavoured filling inside. So milk flavoured filling. I think I had that chocolate one before, back long time ago. It was a long time ago, but this is milk flavoured. So let's get this thing opened up and get this opened. Okay, there's one of those here. So let's see. This is pretty good. The milk flavoured ones is pretty good actually. Not that bad. It's sort of like a nice fun-filled biscuit treats. But it is actually quite nice actually. This thing here, well, it's got like loads of different flavours. There's like there's a chocolate one, there's the chocolate biscuit. There's a few of them. I've got a few like different flavours of these things, so which I'll be doing in the future videos. So the milk flavour one, definitely a thumbs up on that one. Well, that's not like 4 of them done. Now there's one of them I saved up for this. I bought like months ago before the Hyper Japan Festival, before I started doing this. And most of you are saying, why don't you taste the real sushi? But unfortunately, I don't eat any seafood and I don't eat fish, I'm afraid. But there is one product that looks like it. Not tastes like real sushi, but it actually looks like it. This one here is from Chupa Chops, if you may have heard it or not. And this one here, it is candy sushi. Just look at them here. You've got loads of them there. And you've even got the that sauces there, including the wasabi look like. So with this, I'm going to be testing every single one of those and see what they taste like and see how it goes for this one. Strong smell. Strong smell. Pull it out. It's got like a little lid on there as well, so it's actually like a real, like having a real lunch. We got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Well, 8 items, because one of them in the middle has got like sort of chopsticks, but I don't think they're going to be useful for chopsticks for real things. So I'm not very good at chopsticks either. So let's get this start off. Let's see if I can grab those chopsticks. Yeah. There's no way. There is no way. Okay, so let's get first off with the first taste. Okay, so here it is. This is the first one. It's got a fish and a marshmallow, a jellyfish with a marshmallow. So here's the first one. Okay, marshmallow. That's easily chewed on that one. It was about the fish. God, they are hard to chew, these on. Oh god. Okay, that sort of jelly sweet thing is a bit quite chewy though, so it's that bit is alright, so right. I'll be honest, you only taste a few of those though, not the whole lot. I don't know why though, because I think he's still stuck in there, so anyway. Thank God there's no fish bones in that one. If there was fish bone, that would be a huge trouble for me. Sort of wasabi thing. So I'm gonna guess this would be not actually taste wasabi. It's not smell of wasabi, and it's not supposed to be like that. Oop. Still can't get out of this thing. Or maybe it's just like the whole thing up. Oh, there is then, so how fuck, you know what, it's so long. Snip that bit off here, so let's put the rest back in there. Squish them back in. So this is sort of like a wasabi thing, that sort of thing, but well, let's find out. No. 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 Stuck in my teeth as well. This is definitely a no. This is a thumbs down. It's a great idea though, but I'm saying a no. Chopper Chops Candy Sushi? I'm saying a nope on this one. So this is a thumbs down. So this is a no. Anyway, that's it for another episode of Japanese Live Review. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, get a thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to click subscribe for more videos coming up in the future. And also, click the bell icon so you don't miss a thing as well. Until then, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, sayonara!